If you're looking for cool fishing gadgets, you can't miss this incredible tool we're starting the video with. SnowTech stands out for its commitment to innovation in manufacturing shovels as fishing gadgets. Their 2-in-1 utility shovel, which combines a shovel with a chisel, becomes an exceptional tool for a wide variety of uses. Whether you're facing ice fishing, need to tackle snow and vehicle-related emergencies, are immersed in construction projects, or any other task, this shovel is the ideal choice. The standout feature of this tool is its versatility. The shovel head can be removed to reveal a sturdy chisel, making it suitable for various applications in different conditions. Whether it's ice fishing, removing snow from stranded vehicles, or construction, this shovel adapts to specific needs. Using a fishing gadget to remove ice is impressive, but our next device will become your favorite for family fishing outings. The Automatic Fisherman Device, an essential fishing gadget, consists of a rectangular base with a rod holder on one of its sides. On this base, there are two small raised tabs, to which a vertical arm is attached using a nut and bolt. This vertical arm is called the activation arm and is fully adjustable to accommodate fishing rods measuring between 23 and 38 inches. It's crucial for the activation arm to have freedom of movement so that it can drop when there's no fishing rod attached to it. On top of the activation arm, there's a hole designed for inserting a light. The face of the activation arm has two oval holes where the stainless steel trigger is placed. The upper oval hole is suitable for most rods, while the lower one provides greater hooking power if needed. At the base at the bottom, there is a stabilizing bar that can be extended from it. This provides the unit with a stable platform. Some anglers have used ice shavings from the ice auger to cover the arm and secure it in the ice. At the end of the day, if it appears that the unit has frozen in the ice, there is no need to worry. Simply tap the rod holder lightly and the unit will be released from the ice. In contrast, other products may break and require the purchase of a new one. Forget the stress of not having a rod that can withstand all temperatures. We've got your back. But when it comes to quality and durability, let's move on to our next gadget that'll become your best ally for those adventurous days. Built specifically to complement the cover for the Polaris Ranger and the cover for the Can-Am Defender, being one of the best fishing gadgets, this folding UTV fishing shelter will make you the center of attention on over 10,000 lakes. Unlike other UTV fishing shelters, the Fuyu UTV fishing shelter is designed to match the width and height profile of the Polaris Ranger or the Can-Am Defender with tracks when in the storage position. It does not increase the dimensions in any of the axis. This allows for easy fitting into existing garages and trailers without the need for modifications. This fish house is amazing. You definitely want one, but you can't overlook our next fishing tool. It would be a mistake. Introducing the Scoot Fishing Rod Case, which has been recognized at the Australian International Design Awards for Design Excellence, making it one of those cool fishing gadgets that allows you to quickly go fishing. On those days when you might only have a half an hour to wet your line on the way home from work, or if you haven't even planned to fish, with a Scoot, you'll always have your rods with you and be ready to seize any opportunity. Winners of Australia's most prestigious international design awards are remarkable, as the Good Design Awards are the highest recognition for design and innovation in the country, honoring projects in 12 design disciplines and 30 subcategories. But when it comes to award-worthy design, we can't help but talk about the next awesome fishing tool. This is the Swell Pro Splash Drone 3 Plus. Among the top fishing gadgets, it's the latest addition to fishing drone technology and comes loaded with a variety of features to ensure your next fishing outing is a success. The SD3 Plus earned the title of Fisherman's Drone of the Year in 2020. The new SD3 Plus flight controller, designed by Swell Pro, has been integrated with new sensors and a powerful propulsion system that allows for unprecedented sensitivity and precision. This means you can fly your Splash Drone 3 Plus safely and smoothly, with increased confidence even in water, rain, and wind conditions, providing you with the peace of mind of stable and reliable flight at all times. The SD3 Plus offers approximately 20 minutes of hover time and has a flight range of 1.6 kilometers. The Swell Pro SD3 Plus fuselage is constructed with durable 3mm reinforced ABS to ensure a perfect watertight seal. All of its components, both internal and external, are corrosion resistant and designed for use in marine environments. Looking for tough and cool tools? We just gave you one, but the next one will truly make this video special. The Hobby Live Well, a solution for long-term fishermen, has been updated with version 2. It's a plug-and-play, pre-wired and easy-to-install system, complete with a 6-volt battery included. The usage process is straightforward. Water is automatically pumped to keep the bait fresh. It offers adjustable drainage and an organized internal compartment. A standout feature is the sealed and corrosion-resistant switch. It also includes a smart charger with LED indicators. The live well comes with 3 built-in rod holders and the option to add more depending on the kayak. It's a comprehensive solution for keeping bait in optimal condition and is compatible with hobby kayaks. With a sleek design and a 20-year replacement warranty, it's a reliable investment. The Fish Pro stands out for its wide range of revolutionary features among cool fishing gadgets. It includes a convenient link cooler designed for fishing, an advanced Garmin system for navigation and fish location, a comfortable bench-style seat that enhances mobility, angular side footrests that improve stability and comfort, and a low-speed fishing mode. This personal watercraft is the perfect choice for fishing enthusiasts looking to gain a significant advantage in any condition, ensuring the capture of that coveted trophy. With this super fishing tool, you'll have lower prices compared to other boats, greater accessibility to freshwater and saltwater fishing areas, and superior travel speed. The Eskimo E40 composite drill, one of the finest ice fishing tools available with a lithium-ion battery, is an ice drilling equipment carefully designed to meet the needs of ice fishing enthusiasts and provide an exceptional ice fishing experience. Available in 2 size options, 8-inch and 10-inch, the E40 stands out for its astonishing lightness without compromising the power required to easily and quickly cut through the ice. This drill has been designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. Its initial weight of less than 14 pounds makes it an extremely easy to carry ice fishing companion, meaning you'll spend less time dealing with heavy equipment and more time enjoying your favorite activity. With a total power of 40 volts, the Eskimo E40 delivers reliable and efficient performance, ensuring you can effortlessly drill clean holes in the ice. Its variable speed trigger provides precise control during operation, which is essential for adapting to different ice conditions. The 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides extended run time, allowing you to spend more time fishing and less time worrying about the battery. Additionally, with a 2-amp charger, you'll be able to recharge the battery quickly and get back on the ice in no time. Using an underwater flasher is showcasing a fishing gadget. It was one of the few things that still generated some unease. Nevertheless, this ensures that doing so will be simple, and it truly is. It's fascinating to observe how the behavior of fish can be perceived. It's been less than a day at this, and you can already clearly distinguish the bluegill and also identify the crappies. Its ease of use makes it addictive. Just drop that device through a hole, and immediately you can detect the presence of around 10 fish. Just 5 feet in that direction, and also know if there are no fish. There's no way to find out without a flasher. Even if you had a different type of graphics, the task would be impossible. It's so straightforward that you never imagined it would be so accessible. Even old-school anglers, who someone might think would stick to their traditional methods, genuinely consider this to be the real deal. And what if what you want is a tool that makes fishing easier? Then stay tuned to see our next invention. The main components of the visual tip-up fishing trap are definitely cool gadgets for fishing. They include the base with a built-in tackle box, the reel holder slider, and a light bite indicator. Another great example is that when you buy it, you'll notice it's designed to save on shipping costs. To assemble it, you'll start with the base slider, which has a magnet on one end. Align the magnet with the bait box, slide it over the 2 pins, and secure it in place. There's a notch that indicates the stopping point. The trap's reel holder is versatile and allows you to use the reel of your choice. This flexibility lets you use different reels with different line thicknesses to target various fish species, such as perch, minnows, crappies, or larger fish like lakers. To activate the visual tip-up trap, use the first switch to turn it on, indicated by a beep. The nightlight will always be on, but turn off after an interval. Everything inside the unit operates with LEDs, featuring 2 LEDs, one that remains continuously on and another that activates when a fish bites the hook, turning on both the light and the horn. What do you think of all these great inventions? Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most.